Hello and welcome to this new course in which we'll teach you the different resources that Carlota uses regularly on the Photoshop filters in order to apply them in different illustrations. For starters, we'll look for a series of references which we'll use to work on the different natural elements we can find, focusing in their concept art. And while we're at it, we'll apply these filters I'm telling you about to make our illustrations and drawings all together with our designs look more spectacular. After learning all these guidelines and tips for you to represent more adequately nature elements, we'll apply all this knowledge in a series of illustrations about the natural elements. Fire, air, water, and earth will inspire us when designing them. Thank you for enrolling in this course and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye!